Hi, it's me again. So I'm trying to think of what to do. I don't know, I'm bored, so I'm going to be blushing. People call it blushing. Haha, that's funny. I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to laugh and burp. Oh no.
What's up? How are you?
Ooh, that was a loud one. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I couldn't count that. Ooh, that was a really big one.
I love you.
Ooh.
What?
Ooh, that was stuck. Ooh. I'm gonna like gas so much after this.
Super.
Woo. I don't even think I ate. Ready?
Like.
Oh, I couldn't say it. It got stuck.